have to review part 5. We're going to look at example 2 on page 555. Alright, we have 5x squared y over 2xy cubed. Multiply that to 6x cubed y squared over 10y. Okay, multiply straight across. 5 times 6 is 30. X squared times x cubed is x to the 5th. Y times y squared is y cubed. Denominator, 2 times 10 is 20. X times no x over here, so we just leave x, and y cubed times y is y to the 4th. And now what you're going to do is start simplifying the fractions. First we're going to simplify 30 over 20, which is the same as 3 over 2. Simplify x to the 5th divided by x, and that is going to give you x to the 4th. Okay, last we're going to simplify y to the 3rd over y to the 4th, which is y to the negative 1, and remember when we have a negative we swap the positions. So we're going to fill them in the bottom. So what you end up with is 3 over 2, and then x to the 4th in the numerator and y in the denominator. Alright, next example. Let's do x plus 5 over x divided by x plus 5 over 2x. Now remember, when we divide fractions, what we're actually doing is multiplying the reciprocal. So we're going to do x plus 5 over x times 2x over x plus 5. Alright, these are factors, so we can cancel these out. What we're left with is 2x over, and we are done simplifying. Alright, the last example we're going to look at is example 2 on page 568. We have 5x over x minus 2 is equal to 7 plus 10 over x minus 2. Alright, since my denominators are the same, what we're going to do is just simply get rid of them, and we're going to do that by multiplying every term by the denominator. So I just write them on the top. It just helps me stay organized. You do not have to do that. Alright, so this is really saying x also see me